June 1st marks the start of hurricane season. 2024 could be the most active hurricane season on record. It's crucial for everyone to be well prepared. Here are some essential tips to help you get ready. Stay informed. Keep up to date with the latest weather forecasts and warnings from reliable sources like the Meteorological Service Division. Create an emergency plan. Ensure all family members know what to do in case of an emergency. Identify safe rooms in your home and establish a meeting place. Prepare an emergency kit. Your kit should include water, non-perishable food, medications, flashlights, batteries, a first aid kit, and important documents. Secure your property. Trim trees and shrubs. Secure outdoor items. Reinforce windows and doors to minimize damage. Know your evacuation routes. Familiarize yourself with the nearest shelters and evacuation routes. Protect important documents. Store important documents like passports and birth certificates in a waterproof container. By taking these steps, you can help protect yourself, your loved ones, and your property during what could be a record-breaking hurricane season. Stay safe and stay prepared. And of course, stay tuned to Addicted to Geography for more tips and advice about this year's hurricane season.